welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we will unbox, set up and measure a sample using the IC-Salt2 Salinity Meter. The IC-Salt2 is a highly accurate and reliable salinity meter. It's easy to use and features a dual LCD display that reads temperature and salinity measurements. Salinity readouts can be changed between parts per thousand and grams per litre. For use in a variety of applications such as testing tap water, agriculture, aquaculture, or for educational purposes. In the handy carry case, there is a note about the electrode and how to get started, the instruction manual, and a laminated quick guide. The guide outlines how to install batteries, how to calibrate, and how to take measurements, and more. We also have the device with batteries already inserted, 5 parts per thousand buffer solution, and a matching lanyard. To set up, first you need to remove the battery tab. To turn on and start using, you can short press the on/measure button, or to enter setup, press and hold the on/measure button. Once all the text appears on the LCD display, release the button and P1 will appear. There are 3 parameters that you can set up. P1 is selecting the salinity unit between parts per thousand or grams per litre. To move to the next parameter, short press on/measure. P2 is temperature selection, choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And P3 is reset to factory default. Select yes or no. Returning to P1, we will change our salinity unit from grams per litre to parts per thousand. To change, press Cal. The current unit on the top of the screen will start to blink. To toggle between the 2 units, press on/measure. You can see PPT is now blinking. To confirm, press Cal. It will stop blinking and be set. To exit the setup and enter measurement mode, long press the on/measure button. To take a salinity measurement, you will need distilled or deionized water and the sample you wish to measure. Before taking the sample, rinse the probe in the distilled water, give it a stir to eliminate any bubbles. Shake off the excess and then measure the saltwater sample. Place the probe in and give it a small stir to eliminate any bubbles which may be trapped in the probe. Wait for a stable reading. A stable reading will be indicated by a smiley face. It's a bit hard to see in the video, but a stable reading has been achieved and the smiley face is on the LCD screen. Then remove from sample, rinse in distilled water to avoid any salt crystal buildup, and store away in protective cap. For more information on the IC-Salt2, see the link in the description for a video on how to calibrate this device. We hope that you found this video helpful. Click the links below to subscribe to our YouTube channel or to follow us on social media. You can click on the device to take you to the IC-Salt2 product page. Thanks for watching.